it looks like people think that the war is over. Unfortunately, it is not. It's a huge pain in our heart that people are dying every day, every day. My name is Ivanna. I came from Ukraine, Kiev on March 12, 2022. I'm really lucky to stay here at the same place in a beautiful city of Bray for 4 years, but it felt like 2 days. I feel quite lost with the announcement of recent decision of the government to terminate the state-provided accommodation. Why I feel lost and desperate? Because I really don't know what to do and whether it is possible to do anything which we didn't before, because the market is limited, the prices are high. My daughter is looking for the job after graduation from the Trinity College, and it's quite difficult to find something affordable to live in. Plus, there is quite a huge uncertainty with regard to legal status, which will change obviously in March 2027. So we have no idea what will happen to us, and we don't want to change the citizenship because we hope to return home someday when the war will be over. Unfortunately, the war is not over. There are many risks at home currently, so unfortunately to return home is not the option. We had a person who lived in our hotel, and she didn't find herself peace here, and she returned home, and unfortunately she died on her way from work because of shelling. Yeah, to sum it up, I think we're quite lost and we don't know what to do, and there is no obvious solution.